Certified World Explorer, good morning. Today we woke up in a beautiful location. We are in the south of Italy, in Padula. The region is Campania.
We stayed in a bed and breakfast last night. It's really hot right now, so we needed something a little bit cooler.
Our camper is over there, as you can see. We came here to visit our friends and family. But the cool thing is, not only they have Airbnb, but they have their own produce. If you come here, you are sure that you're gonna have a nice meal with your stay, because they have fresh fruit all the time and they produce it here. So you know that it's real food, very biological. The idea of that time of creating these places, because they are close to the main road, was to create a place to rest for the horses and leave the horses that they were tired and get the new one and start going again. It was the autogrill of that time.
Yes, this was the old Appia and it connected Capua to Reggio. Every 100 kilometers, he was telling us that people would find these places where they could stop and exchange horses to get fresh ones to continue their travels. Right. It was very fitting for our travels, right? To stop and rest our camper.
We stop and rest.
So our camper rests for the night, and so did we.
Let's go inside.
There's a backyard which is very well taken care of with all green grass, plants everywhere. And one of the rooms actually has the exit on the backyard. We were here yesterday for a birthday party, so this part was all set up with kids running around everywhere. It was lots of fun. Look how cool. This whole part opens up or stays closed depending on the time of the day and the season. This is all glass, so they can close easily everything, and you can use this space in the winter and in the summer. We just had the most amazing sleep. We were exhausted,
Really beautiful.
so peaceful and quiet, and now we have a nice breakfast and waiting for our coffee. How's the croissant, Emma? Okay, we're having a little cooking lesson before we have lunch
Again,
today.
guys.
And here we are making cavatelli.
Due dita, con questo mantieni e tiri così.
So you use 2 fingers and you roll it backwards.
Guarda, questo, due dita.
This is
Due.
Cosimo now.
Questo deve mantenere, no, non devi schiacciare, così, questo è così, gira, vai. 2 dita, 2, devi girare, insomma, pure tu, vai, bravo.
Oh, you did proud. Oh, wow.
Questo qua mantiene, vedi? Poi giri così. Vai, vai, tira.
Sembra facilissimo.
Devi girarlo.
It looks easy, but it isn't, right?
Devi
She
girare.
makes it look really easy.
Fai vedere? Bravo. Lo devi tenere così. Poi fai così, guarda.
Lo devi aprire.
Schiaccia, gira con le ditine. Gira dentro con le ditine dentro devono girare, vedi?
Dai, sì, l'ho fatto.
Sì,
Mamma.
brava.
So they're fresh every day.
Semola.
Farina.
Farina di semola.
E acqua e basta.
Acqua, sì.
When she gets the piece, she cuts it in little pieces, like little pillows.
Di farina.
Put more flour. She keeps on rolling
Figure
it.
out how to do it. You have to start at the beginning and keep on rolling.
I can't wait for lunch now.
She's really fast, guys.
Yes. See if Daddy is better
Dove
at this.
babbo?
Che casino fa?
Oh.
No,
Mamma, sì.
così.
Dai.
Look,
He smashed
you
it.
hold it like this, you start at the beginning, and then you push a little
Non
bit.
è così facile, eh?
Guarda, tirare, guarda,
Wow,
devi
look
tirare.
at that.
Guarda.
She just does it like this.
You start at the beginning, just roll, let it roll, and then you see it goes like
Now
that.
he learned it.
It's take longer, guys, with us. It's gonna take like all day to do the pasta.
It's totally
not.
worth it.
Look how fast I'm going.
Guarda amore, guarda. Metti le ditine dentro così e giri. Devi schiacciare e devi girare.
You have to, Luca, you have to smush it and turn, so it turns like that.
You have to put them next to each
No, si
other.
attacca la pasta. Mangi oggi, li mangi. Luca.
You're not gonna eat that.
Le paste non li mangi.
That's pasta, Luca.
Li sta facendo ma non li mangia, che non c'è sentito.
So they make different kinds of fresh pasta, also with herbs inside
And wine.
and wine. Cosimo is very proud of himself. He got the hang of it.
Brava.
And Luca is assistant here. They make them,
It's so
and Luca
tiny.
puts them on the tray.
Mettili a posto.
La posso di dargli le botte?
Perfect.
Se le pasta.
Bravo. Gli ultimi. Bravo.
Yay! Wow.
Wow.
See that? Oh my gosh.
They implant spices and different plant. Zucchini flower. This is basil. This is another kind of basil. They're put it together. So over here you have 3 different species of mint. So this is 1, 2, and over there is another one. They have salad, 3 different species of salad. They put it together. This is arugula. They experiment, they try to mix 2 or 3 together. When it's coming really strong and the flavor that they wanted, you can smell it here. It's really, really
Very strong.
Very strong. They implant it from here to the vegetable garden that they have over
Outside.
there. So they make a big batch of it so they can use it in the kitchen.
So they start here and then they move it out there.
They have all different type of spices and vegetable. It's really cool because you just do this and you smell it. It's so good. Oh my god.
Now we want to show you some of the rooms. They have 3 for couples and 2 for families.
Yes, quadruple.
One is actually a
That
little
means for
apartment.
4 people.
Yes. So let's go see.
This one has a table.
This is the apartment.
So this is the apartment. It has a little kitchenette. Oh, you keep on going up. Here we have a big bedroom with a couch and a bed.
You can see the owner of the place that is actually cultivating the field.
Look at that. So beautiful.
This one was called La Colombaia because it actually was on top of the building at that time and it was open in 4 direction because the birds can come in and they were making a nest inside.
This is our bird, Luca.
Colombaia means bird nest because at that time Colombi it's a species of bird.
They would
that-
bring messages.
Yes. If you come here, every room has a name attached to it. Little tag on the side of the door, and it's explain what the room was for at
the
that
time.
because this building is really, really old.
It's from 1600.
1600. Now you can see everything is renovated, But you have to think about at that time, it was all made of real rock. The wall
are really
very thick
Yeah. Look at that.
and solid. It's really nice building and a nice feeling. When you are inside, it's so quiet and it's so relaxing. So if you come here, you're gonna have a nice time.
We're gonna go see Il Granaio, which is one other of the rooms.
The granary.
So this is clearly for 2 people.
And they actually bring the stuff that they were collecting from the field and deposit it right
On
here.
the spieghenile. So this is again for a couple.
All the room, they're really quiet because again, the wall, they're really thick and the details that they use are amazing. The bed is really comfy. All the windows, they are insulated. Each room has the air conditioning,
which we didn't need because it wasn't that hot inside.
TV and fridge.
Bathrooms. Well, this one has a bathtub. Wow. Look at this. There's these little pieces of history just sitting around the property.
Guys, did you see the suitcase?
You should get this.
It's really cool, actually. Let me take it out. Dun, dun, dun.
Wow. It would be very original if we had this now when we were traveling.
Very fancy.
Okay, our room is a little bit messy, but I think we should show it to you. We are in Il Forno, and we're right next to the cantina, which is the cellar, but we are in the oven, basically. Here we are.
I'm on fire!
So this one has 2 bedrooms. From here you can go outside in this beautiful backyard. And if you're like us and have kids, you have an extra room. And a very large bathroom. So you can imagine how relaxing it has been to be here. It's lunchtime and this is a taverna, so they serve lunch for the guests if you want to, but also for people that come from outside. So I'll give you a little peek. See, it's full. But we are going to lunch too because, I mean, we have our chef here, our assistants that made our lunch.
It's a restaurant?
Ah,
All these people are living in the taverna?
They're not living here, they came for lunch. So Cosimo slept late and so he's a little confused right now. Okay, we start with a homemade schiacciata, which you don't usually find in this area. Homemade sauce. How is it? Wow, these are the ones you made. Let me see. How's the pasta? Questi sono paccherini. Another really cool thing in this taverna is all these paintings. They're on every wall here and they're from a local artist. So if people are interested in it, they can actually buy them. So you can have a beautiful meal with all these colors. And they're very talented chef.
Yeah, they have an idea of food with art. So for each painting, they're gonna create a plate with the same color that match the art design.
So can you imagine? Eating out becomes extremely creative and good at the same time.
Hi,
We are here with a couple of the owners of
how are you?
Taverna Ferrigno. This is a family-owned business, and here we have Massimiliano and Claudia.
Hi, how are you?
And we were just finished having lunch in this beautiful place.
Thank you. We are very glad to have you here with all your family. For us, it's a very pleasure because this place is very comfortable, and we are happy to share with you and with all people the healthy food in this amazing location. And we are waiting for you.
Now that you have an invitation to come here, you have to come to Padula.
Guys, you have to really come here because the food is really good.
Yes,
because he is very passionate in what he's doing, and he cultivates everything, and all the food is very biological, and it's 0 kilometers. So all the stuff that you eat here is coming from here.
Healthy food.
Grazie della vostra presenza, è stata bella perché erano anni che non ci vedevamo. Ci fa piacere che siete arrivati qui. Continuate il vostro viaggio. Nel vostro viaggio mettete un po' anche di questa piccola parentesi.
Ci avete dato una nota di molta allegria, molta felicità e siamo contenti di avervi avuto qui.
And now we share this with all of you so you can feel welcome to come here and enjoy.
Thank you, guys.
Bye, from the 5-Year-Old Explorers
Bye.
here at Taverna Ferrigno. Make sure to come. We are taking a peek in the kitchen because tonight we're having a special meal. Since these two ladies are from Venezuela, we are having a Venezuelan dinner.
Most famous breakfast in the world, arepas.
Arepas. Now I'm going to show you the process how they cook them.
You have to put in a bowl water, salt. Then you have to mix it until the salt was very, very diluted.
Okay.
Then you have to put the flour
Okay.
with the hand, only the hand. Then you have to
See, you need it.
and
Make these
you
balls.
make this ball. You make
Okay.
this ball. Then you have to
Smash them down a little
smash. Then you have to make the border.
bit. Oh wow.
And then you put in the oil very
You fry them or you can bake them too, but they're better fried.
fried.
So we're gonna have them fried.
delicious.
We're having the real ones fried.
You have to put jam, cheese, whatever you want to. But
It's a very light dinner.
yes,
Yes.
very light, very light. But it's delicious.
So 2-3 minutes on one each side. Look at that. Voila. Arepa are served. Look at that. Yummy.
The 5-Year-Old Explorers!
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Ciao ciao.